Hey everyone, in this question we have to match the following given columns with respect to meiosis. Let's first get a brief about meiosis. Meiosis is the reduction division. Meiosis is the reduction division. Reduction division मतलब क्या होता है? Reduction division मतलब ये होता है कि जब it means when the parent cell divides to form a daughter cell, तो डॉटर सेल में जो होते हैं, जो नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं वो एग्जैक्टली हाफ होता है. नाउ सपोज द पेरेंट सेल हैज 2n नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स, तो डॉटर सेल्स में कितने होंगे? वो आफ्टर मेयोटिक डिवीजन n होंगे. And this kind of meiotic division is generally seen in germ cells. Germ cells are an example of meiotic division. Now meiotic division itself is divided into two parts. It is first is meiosis 1 and the second one is meiosis 2. There is a short interface between the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 which is known as interkinesis. The short gap between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 is known as interkinesis. अभी क्या होता है ना कि meiosis 1 और meiosis 2 अपने आप में ही they are of four different stages. They have four stages. एक होती है prophase 1, the next one is metaphase 1, next one is anaphase 1 and the last one is telophase 1. Similarly, meiosis 2 में भी four stages are there, namely prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Now meiosis 2 is mostly similar to the mitotic division. Meiosis 2 is very much alike mitosis. For this particular question, we'll discuss about prophase 1. Prophase 1 is more complex and a lot more complexer than the prophase 2 or the prophase stage of mitosis. Okay? पर ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं कि कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है? क्योंकि ये दिस प्रोफेज 1 स्टेज इटसेल्फ डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 डिफरेंट शॉर्ट स्टेजेस, नेमली लिप्टोटीन. The name of the stages are liptotene. The next one is zygotine. Next is pectine. Next is diplotene. And the last one is dikinesis. All these 5 stages belongs to prophase 1 stage of meiosis 1. Now let's discuss a brief about these stages, because this is at the end of the question we have to answer about these stages only. Liptotene is the stage when the condensation of the chromatin material occurs during the meiotic division. क्या होता है लिप्टोटीन स्टेज में? जो कंडेंसेशन ऑफ द क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल कंडेंसेस और ये क्या बनाते हैं? कंडेंस करके क्रोमोसोम्स स्टार्ट्स फॉर्मिंग. ठीक है, क्रोमोसोम बनने लग जाते हैं लिप्टोटीन स्टेज में आफ्टर कंडेंसेशन. नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज जाइगोटीन स्टेज. व्हाट हैपेंस इन जाइगोटीन स्टेज इज जो क्रोमोसोम लिप्टोटीन स्टेज में कंडेंसेशन होकर जो क्रोमोसोम्स बनते हैं, दोज क्रोमोसोम्स पेयर अप. द होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स पेयरिंग ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स अकर and this pairing is known as synapses. What is this known as? This pairing is called as synapses. मतलब जाइगोटीन स्टेज में क्या होता है? synaptonymal complex बनता है. Now in pectine stage, if we talk about pectine stage, तो ये जो homologous chromosomes पेयर हुए हैं, जो synaptonymal complex बना है between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, crossing over occurs. The crossing over occurs between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Non-sister chromatids क्या होते हैं? अभी हम वो भी देख लेते हैं. Now look at the diagram. In this diagram, there is a pair of homologous chromosomes present, and these two are the sister chromatids. These two are the sister chromatids of the chromosome, and these two are the non-sister chromatids. They are recognized as the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosome. So what happens? The crossing over occurs between the non-sister chromatids, these two chromatids. Between these two chromatids, crossing over will occur. And the enzyme here that is responsible for crossing over is recombinase. Recombinase enzyme होता है जो कि crossing over में help करता है. Now what happens after crossing over? जब crossing over पूरी हो जाती है तो एक X-shaped structure बन जाता है जिसको हम chiasmata बोलते हैं. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो कि क्रॉसिंग ओवर जहां पर हुई होती है वहां पर एक X-shaped structure होता है. Okay, we'll see that too. Now have a look at the structure over here. This structure, which is formed at the stage of crossing over, is known as chiasmata, and this occurs in the diplotin stage of prophase 1. The last stage is dikinesis, and dikinesis में क्या होता है? Terminalization of chiasmata. This stage is recognized by terminalization, that is जो chiasmata बनी होती है वो अब इस स्टेज में खत्म हो जाती है. Terminalization of chiasmata occurs in this stage. Abhi, according to this discussion we have done right now, let's match the options in the given question. Now that we know the first option is zygotine. Now that we know that zygotine में pairing अगर होती है and the synaptonymal complex is formed, so zygotine can be matched with this option, that is synapsis. The next one is pectine. Pectine में crossing over होता है, recombinase enzyme work करता है, so we can match this with crossing over. The next one is diplotin. We understood that diplotin में chiasmata बनता है by the X-step structure. And the last one is dikinesis, and we saw that in dikinesis terminalization occurs. So let's now give it a review over the options. See, we can see in the first option A का third दे रखा है and this is wrong, so this option is incorrect. Now next one, A is fourth, B we can see is matched to third one, C is we can see that it is matched to second one. The last one is matched to D, that is the first one. Therefore, our correct option and correct answer would be option number 2. Hope this was helpful. Thank you guys.